What's up? Y'all know what today is? It's supposed to be Dress Like a Teacher Day. Or something like that. So, nobody wore all their Cowboys gear to dress like Mr. G, so, oh well. No free hundreds today. Just kidding. All right.
I could have worn a Cowboys jersey and then worn a trash can over my head, but then I'd stay with the Cowboys. So.
And like the cheese of the Packers. All right. Yes.
Dress like a teacher day. How does the teacher dress these days? I mean, back in the day, it used to be the glasses, the buns.
It's probably just formal. Yeah.
Now it's just a memory.
Just a memory. All right. Well, anyways, tomorrow is Decades Day. Is that right? Does anyone know?
What does that mean?
Well, if it's decades tomorrow, that's like.
What happened in decades?
Well, it's actually any decade that you like. So 40s, 50s, 60s, like hippies, I guess. 70s. Poodle skirts is what? 50s, right? What's 70s? Wait, are hippies 60s or 70s?
60s.
Okay, 70s would be what? Disco?
Yeah.
No, that's 80s. 90s is, I don't know.
I ran out of decade.
Well, I'll make sure to wear my 90s Cowboys throwback stuff and the 3 Super Bowl rings from the 90s. All right, well, anyways. And then Thursday is Jersey Day. Jersey Day on Thursday. That's what I heard. So
Jersey means your favorite what?
favorite jersey from your favorite team.
Your favorite
Team.
sport team?
Yeah.
Or is it only football?
Oh, sports, I'm assuming. Any sport.
So everybody go to Plato's Closet and buy something.
They have jerseys?
It's resale. It's amazing.
I don't know if they have jerseys there. Well,
You get cute things.
all right. Well, that's a big intro. Since everyone has their warm-up sheet on their desk and you're writing down your objective, please. So, who wants to do the warm-up for a small prize?
Are you recording it? All right here. I messed up last time. I gotta make this.
Ooh, but you made that offensive statement, so here we go. Let's see it. Hey, next time be polite and you can go, you know? Instead of making digs at America's team. All right. What does scalene mean? All the sides are different. Why is it right? Got that right angle. It's also not left. I saw what? There's a C in there somewhere. ISOS CELES. Isosceles. What is isosceles? Two sides are the same, like you got two eyes. Isosceles. Acute, because all the angles are acute. All right.
I have a song for everybody here. You know Dolly Parton? Yeah? Jolene? Scalene? All the sides are equal.
All right. So, you want me to pick it? You want to pick it? All right. 1. What is it?
An alligator.
A shoe. All right. So, or a cleat. Yeah. All right. Let me pass this out so we can do these notes. Sorry. All right. All right. You drop something. That's what I'm about to do. All right. So we're looking at this. Now, what this is demonstrating is something that you probably already know. So let me see if you already know it. How many degrees are inside of a triangle? Who said that? How many degrees? 180? All right. So this is a way to prove that. Okay? So if I want to know what these three angles add up to, I can tear off the angles. There's an angle. There's an angle. And there's an angle. Now, adding them up means putting them next to each other. So if I put these three angles right next to each other, they make what? A straight line. How many degrees is a straight line? 180. So a triangle adds up to make 180, the interior angles. Okay? That's a little demonstration to get to the bottom part where we are making our statement, which is the sum of the interior angles of all triangles is 180 degrees. So write that down real quick, and then we'll do the back. And that's it for the notes. So, flip it over. Now you could probably do the top two pretty easily. I'm going to make sure I set up my equations a certain way for a reason, so follow me on this. If they add up to 180, I'm going to write them out. X plus 52 plus 55 equals 180. Okay, so I'm just writing angle plus angle plus angle equals 180. Okay? So it's easy to set up. Then all you got to do is, first step, combine like terms. On the left side of this equation, what's the same? The constant numbers are the same. So the 52 and the 55 combine to make what? Bless you. What? 107, right? Does everyone see my first step is to combine like terms, right? Write this down on the back. Now bring down x plus and bring down equals 180. Now, last step to get rid of that 107. Subtract. So minus 107 minus 107. X equals what? 73. Turns out that's it, so it's 73 degrees. Cool. Now, I'm going to guess. How many of y'all don't like setting it up that way? You just want to add them up and subtract. Okay? That only works when you know the two angles. Look at these middle two. See how they got expressions in there? It's not as easy to do that. Okay? Let's do the top right one real quick. This is a what angle? 90 degrees. So start with M plus 90 plus 29 equals 180. Again, the sum of the interior angles is 180. Now, what was my first step last time? Combining like terms, right? 90 and 29 combine to make 119. And then to get rid of that 119, we subtract the opposite, right? So M equals 61, and since that's by itself, we'll call it degrees. Okay? Now, if they were all like that, no big deal, right? But, getting this down? Down here, you see how it steps it up a little bit. It's got x. It's got variables and expression in it, okay? So we're going to set it up the same way. We're going to add up the angles equal to 180. So let's start off with 10x plus 59 plus 2x plus 1 equals 180 inside of a triangle. Now remember, the parentheses, you don't need them, but I like to do it to group my three angles so I know. Angle plus angle equals 180. And then my first step is the exact same. What do I need to do on the left side? Combine like terms. Our first step is always to add whatever's the same. So let's see if we have any of the same x's. And we do. We have a 10x and a 2x on the same side. What's 10x plus 2x? 12x. And then we have constants that are the same on the same side. 59 plus 1 is what? 60. 12x plus 60 equals 180. All right. Sorry, what? Well, next step is to first get rid of the loner, the plus 60, right? How do I get rid of the plus 60? Minus 60, minus 60. So 12x equals 180 minus 60 is 120. And then my last step is to divide. So x equals 10. Okay. Now real quick, it doesn't ask us to here, but could you figure out the missing angles? Right, so like right here, this is 10x, and if x is also 10, that's just 10 times 10, which is what? 100, right? And then over here, 2x plus 10, that's 2 times 10 plus 1. 21. All right? So you could figure out missing angles once you know the variable. On the next one, same idea. Each angle added up is 180. You're going to write a little bit more compact, right? Because there's a lot of stuff here. 2x plus 11 plus 7x plus 18 plus 6x plus 16 equals 180. Okay, three separate expressions add up to 180 degrees. Same first step. What's my same first step that I keep doing? Combine like terms. So all my x's live in Texas. All right, no, but seriously. 2x, 7x, and 6x add up to what? Okay, yeah, 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15x. And now my constants, my numbers, 11, 18, and 16, those can all add up. What happens when I add all those up? Is it 35? Oh, 45. All right, 15x plus 45 equals 180. Just like last time, first we get rid of the loner, which is 45. How do I get rid of 45? Subtract. 180 minus 45 is 135. And then to get rid of that 15, divide. 135 over 15 is 9. Move it up a little. All right. Now let's see. You want to do it on the board? I'll help you if you get stuck. Sure. I need someone new. Who could do it on the board? You want to do the last one on the board? Aww. You want to do the last one on the board? Why not? Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. You can, and then this right here, put 90 plus right here. That's fine. Good. Very good. That's it for the X's. That's good. So 90 minus 2 plus 48. Help her out. Spooky. 138 minus 2. All right. Plus 9. All right, good. Then get rid of the loner. Good. So x equals 11. Yeah. That's music to my ears. Okay. 1. Oh, true. All right. Thank you very much. Round of applause. All right. All right. So now that everyone understands this, because everyone was diligently taking notes, I'm going to pass out the assignment.